In today's video, I'll show you how to automatically sync your Shopify product feed to Google Merchant Center. I'll show you step by step how to set up, manage, and optimize your product feed all from your Shopify store. First, open the app, go to Feed Center, click Add Feed, click on Connect with Google Merchant Center and log in your account. Click Allow, and then a window will appear to let you set up your feed. Now let's fill out your feed name, for example, US Market, Google Merchant ID, choose the Google Merchant account you want to connect to, or if you have multiple accounts, then choose one in the drop-down list right here. Target market United States and language English. Select your product source. You can choose to create your feed from all products in your store or from specific collection. Just click Add Collection and pick the one you need. Click Next to create feed. You can click on Feed to view all your products and their status. At first, it will show as pending as they need to be reviewed by Google, and it could take up to 3 business days for your product to get approved. And now let's choose the frequency of syncing by hourly, daily, or weekly. Go to ShocialShop Source Management, scroll down to Schedule Sync, and choose the plan of your update schedule. So for example, mine will be updated every week, and click Save and Resync. Now to optimize your product feed, you can use field mapping or category mapping. Mapping allows you to modify and assign the value of the product field and apply those values to all your products. From your feed center, click on the feed and go to field mapping. And for example, I want my product title to not only have the product names, but also include the variant's name. I will simply click and choose the variant's name in the drop-down list. And here, click on Save Settings. Once you click Save, your mapping setting will be saved and applied to all your products. You can also use category mapping to assign a category to your products. To do that, go to Category Mapping, add more mapping, and select a collection. Mine is Flowy Bestsellers. Apply and click Mapping to Google Product Category. My products are dresses, so I will map apparel and accessories, clothing, and dresses. And then click OK. Next, you can preview to see how the category is displayed. Now let's click Save and Resync. And that's it. If you want to know how to sync your other platform feeds like TikToks or Facebooks, check out our other videos in the description. Let me know if you have any further questions in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.